In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Discord display name. This is the name people see at a glance when they interact with you across servers and DMs. It's different from your unique username and from server-specific nicknames, so updating it is a simple way to refresh how you show up without affecting your login or identity details. Start by opening Discord and logging in. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. If you use multiple accounts for work, school, or gaming, double-check the avatar and tag in the bottom left corner so you don't change the wrong one. Next, look to the bottom left of the app window. Click the gear icon labeled User Settings right beside your name and avatar. That opens your personal settings page. Depending on your app version, you'll either see a section called My Account or one labeled Profiles. Both lead you to the place where your display name can be edited, so choose the one you see in your layout. Inside that section, find Display Name. It usually sits near your avatar and username. Click Edit next to it. Be careful not to click the username option by mistake. Your username is a different setting with its own rules. We're only adjusting the display name here, which is much simpler and does not affect how you sign in. Now type the new display name you want. Aim for something short, clear, and recognizable so friends and teammates can identify you quickly. Avoid sharing personal information, and keep in mind that while emojis and certain special characters may work, not every font style will render perfectly for all users. If you're switching from a novelty name to something more professional, you can still keep a hint of your personality. Just make it readable at a glance. When you're happy with it, click Save or Done to confirm the change. You should see your new display name update immediately in your profile. In some cases, it might take a moment to appear everywhere, especially if you're active in multiple servers. That's normal and usually resolves on its own. A quick note for clarity. If you notice that inside a specific server, your name still looks different, that's likely a server nickname overriding your display name. The display name is global, while server nicknames are local to each community. Moderators or server rules might affect those, but your global display name is updated as you just set it. And that's it. Open Discord, go to User Settings, head to My Account or Profiles, edit the display name, type your new name, and save. Simple, clear, and done.